Watching it, you know, it's a lot cooler because you can see the whole wide angle. Pickles found Nirvana. Nice big flat open space with the ground, not just caliche. It's actually like it's like sandy. Look at that nice green grass. Who would have thought? It's another beautiful tree. It's cool. Found the place. Now what? Little caves, big rocks. All the rocks are falling off of there. I think they've fallen off a long time ago. Because they've sat here and worn down. But still so cool. Hiding like the outlaws. What you scratching? This looks like it's been mowed. It's probably cows come here and hang out, have their social parties. Moo. Yeah, moo too. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that texture. Hoo boy. Some thick bark. Yeah. I'm running out of space for recording. The 35-minute one didn't, it ended. And now it's letting me do more, but it's only 18 minutes. After that, it'll be probably, I don't know, less. Look at that. Look at that polygonal elephant skin. How are ya? It's big too. But it's not tinted like the dark stuff when the water is going down, and it catches the like minerals and smears it down the sides and but the lighter parts don't get it. I don't get it. Look at that minefield. How am I supposed to walk through that with flip-flops? No. No, sir. Oh, so we gotta watch out for things. Don't eat me. Alright, look at that. We made it through. Nice. It's a minefield. Pickles is eaten. It's good. It's a good afternoon. Minefield of poopies and pricklies. It's crazy. Look at Pickles over there grazing. Outlaw cattle. That's what you are, Pickles. Found this heavenly little spot. I'll have to check the GPS. I don't know what the I don't know if this is on my property or not. I know that it's really close because this gap right here is the one that I can see from the road, and that's the start of the property. So I guess the tree marks it. You know, Pickles is eating my grass. Cut it out, Pickles. What you eat my grass for? Oh, look at that. Some cow probably dragged this stuck to his ankle the whole way. Oh, it's probably part of this one. Probably. Look at that. Oh, so cool. The underside getting worn away. You got the little dangly nipples. Oh, yay. That's awesome. That's crazy. Yeah, that's what happens. Rock inside rock. Some wild stuff. So I've never hiked up this far, so you know, it's a new thing for me too. Look at this little bowl I'm in. A little bowl. It's all smooth. Well, other than the lumpy elephant skin. But it's oh, it echoes too. Could call it an echo canyon. Echo, echo, echo. I'm in a parabolic situation. Where do we go now? We're at the cliff face. Yeah. Clearly there's more to see. I'll have to wear my other shoes and climb up. Pickles will bring my camera up and film it for you, and then report back. Tell us what you've seen. Yeah, I don't want to walk through that. There's a little crevice over there I can kind of see go around the tree, but you know, geez, that tree's upside down. How'd you get upside down like that? Don't leave me. There, you can kind of see the parabola. So that's the situation with a lot of my property. It has like this sort of, you know, cool places, but you gotta fight your way through, you know, brush and sticks and herdy stuff. So you gotta bring a machete, fight your way through. That's nice. Very nice. Yeah, whenever I want to do like a panorama or whatever, I'm like, no, I can't because I'm making a video, but ooh. Same with the GPS. I think if I check the GPS, it would cancel my video. I'll have to test it and see what's the dealio. Because I like knowing. Ah, it's so rich. Color. Jeez. I love that stuff. This kind of tree is like amazing. It's like shredded paper. It's you know, the ones I was pruning down by camp had a lot of this, and so you try to saw through it, and it's just like, it cuts nicely. It's easy, but it's stringy, you know, like spaghetti squash. Come on, Pickles, let's head out. Yeah, that's cool. So many rocks. Who knew the rocks were so cool? I sure didn't. It's probably what makes it so easy to climb. It's got these little tiny micro nipples sticking out. Just grab hold with your feet. Yeah, feel like a gecko. Oh, there's just a smidge up there at the top. Just a little bit. Looks like one of those heads on Easter Island. His mouth open. Hmm. Lead the way. I'm following you. Of course, the first time I came out here, I didn't have Pickles with me. What is this? Balloon. Happy birthday to you too. Nah. This is not allowed. What is this? No. Actually, when I found other ones like this, on the far mountain, it doesn't actually, it's not like somebody came here with their birthday balloon and littered, I think it just flies, it just flies in the wind and just goes up from the birthday party in like wherever. Phoenix, California, I don't know, like wherever. And it just travels and travels and you never see it again. But I see it again because it lands here. So, yeah. It's always the tough aluminum foil ones. Is it aluminum? Or is it... yeah. I'll consider it a happy birthday to me because I found this property. It's beautiful. Whose birthday is it? It's like mine. It's not my birthday though, because my birthday isn't this month. Yeah, so it comes down sooner or later somewhere. And, runs out of air or whatever. Whatever is in it, I would suggest helium if it's these kind of balloons. Usually they're a little bit more pricey. Oh, somebody said that about Pickles the other day. I was walking into the store and the kid was like, "What kind of dog is that, Mommy?" And the mom was like, "There's an expensive dog." So I looked at his Pickles and I was like, "You sure are expensive." But no, all dogs are expensive. Trying to keep them alive. Trying to double check what's going on with them. Yeah, that's nice. It's a whole lot of deposit coming out of there. Guess I could walk over this way to show you that other little V that I came through the first time. This is a fire pit here. Saw this when I first came and I haven't seen it since. But it's been here for a while because people keep using it. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, I think on Google Maps this actually shows up, but it's like a little lump. It's like of dark ground. It just goes to show you the difference of what shows up in the map or not. That's pretty different colors there for a... Oh, the jet, yay! Yeah. Yeah. Well, there you go. There's the opening. I guess I could take the road back. I'd have to cross the stream. But how would I cross it without four-wheel drive? Yeah, I wanted to come back just so I could climb this. Super awesome. This whole little side of the mountain. Just crazy. Ooh. Yep, super nice. What do you think, Pickles? Well, I can't walk down that side. I'm gonna have to get back down this way. Liking it. Yeah. Luckily, these flip-flops are pretty good. Grippy. Ugh. Grippy. Oh, we're running out of time. I got 3 minutes left. And then I gotta go back without more videos. Oh, there's a lot of new stuff. Look at how pristine that sky is. Whew. Like it, Pickles? Pretty nice. Yeah. It's a little brighter than the other ones because it's got more sky to light it. Yeah, when I first came here, there's the road right there, and I parked right over here. I climbed down, climbed up, and I was like, that is so amazing. And then I was like, no, but there's no time. I'll have to come back. And then I was like, this way, boop, 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 boop. I had to check it. Boop, 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 boop. And found the fire pit over there and checking all the stuff out. And yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful with the crinkle of happy birthday balloon. I don't think it's a foil. What is it? It's on the tip of my tongue. It's Mylar. Is that it? Mylar. That's it. I kept thinking it's because there's a couple different materials like that we used to use in drafting, architecture. It was like Mylar and some of the other stuff, and it's like just like I don't know. One that starts with an L. I keep getting mixed up with Mylar. Whoops! Oh no! It's almost gone. Yeah. Whoosh. Oh. I think we can get back 3 minutes. Oh, it's less than 3 minutes. It's 18. Only 15 seconds left. Alright, I'll show you the Box Canyon as it fades out. Goodbye, video. Tell them my story.